Benny's got a question here around updates or drivers. So with Windows Update for Business, when deploying drivers, is it possible to get them to install on log off or log on? Some updates do annoy users, such as graphics updates.
Not really, no. I haven't seen any hooks for that at all, and I can't think of how to do it either. Those updates or driver updates that you, if I go back to my Intune tenant, go back to my devices here, Windows and updates and driver updates, those are all part of the regular Windows Update agent. And they follow the policies that you set here from when they will become available to the device. These drivers do not follow the other updates that you may do from update rings. So you may very well end up having a device reboot twice in a month just because there happen to be driver updates that happen at the same time. I know there have been some requests of basically asking Windows to, all right, if you have driver updates and you do have monthly updates, please do it at the same time to only require one reboot. But I haven't seen any confirmation that work hasn't been even started. But no, these policies have fairly limited controls of this. If you want to have control to do things that log on or log off, you have to do something custom. Create custom packages in Intune that you download and have a script installed on the devices, or leverage a config manager sequence if you're in a co-managed scenario to have that one do driver updates. But for Intune alone, with nothing but this, you have very limited options. But again, it's not too hard to write a PowerShell script that does apply a package. Run pnputil. I did write a blog post a while ago comparing the only two tools basically that can do driver updates that are built into Windows. But long story short, these utilities you can drive from a PowerShell script. So you only need to have a Win32 app that downloads a driver package and then run that script. And this one you can, of course, tie into other types of events. You can have a scheduled task looking for a login or log off to actually do something, or you can have this script generate a file that script looks for. So it's doable. It's nothing ready. You have to develop it yourself, or hire someone to do it for you.
Yep.
But great question. Good point. Would be nice to have more controls.
Yeah, definitely. If anyone at Microsoft is listening.
They might, you never know.
I know. Hint, hint.